Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to answer the question, how long does a Shein take to deliver? Alright, now in the US, if you choose the standard mode of shipping, it can take up to 10 days. If you have selected an express shipping at a paid premium, you can get the product you ordered within 7 days. The best part is that you can easily get your product in all 50 states of the United States. Now if you live in Canada, the standard shipping time is 9 to 13 days instead of 10. In the case of Shein shipping time, when you choose Express, it can take 7 to 9 days instead of 7 days for the US. Now in the UK, the standard shipping would be 7 to 10 days. Express would be 6 to 8 days. And for Australia, standard would be 10 to 16 days. And Express would be 6 to 8 days. Now for European countries, the same is the case with the EU. Alright, standard would be 6 to 15 days. And Express would be 5 to 8 days. Just do keep in mind that the details may vary based on the country you are ordering from, which can change, alright? And when you order something from Shein, just like any other online shopping app or website, like for example, you're going to want to order this one, add to cart, alright, add. Now when we go to our cart, click or tap on checkout right here, you should be able to see the delivery time or the delivery date in the order description. And that's basically it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.